How to improve your English with shadowing, the best speaking practice. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Smart English Start. In the last video, I mentioned a powerful technique that can rapidly improve your English speaking skills. Today, we're going to talk about it in detail. It's called shadowing. What is shadowing? Shadowing is a simple but extremely effective technique. It means listening to English and repeating it immediately, without stopping to think. You don't translate, you don't pause, you just copy the sounds as closely as possible. Imagine you're an actor learning lines for a movie. You're not studying grammar, you're training your brain to think and speak in English. Why is shadowing so powerful? Shadowing helps you with pronunciation. You learn to speak like a native. Intonation and rhythm, you sound more natural. Fluency. You stop translating in your head. Most English learners struggle because they don't practice speaking enough. With shadowing, you practice every single day, and your speaking becomes automatic. How to do shadowing the right way. Many people try shadowing but give up because they make some common mistakes. Let me show you the best way to do it. Step number 1, find the right audio. You need clear, natural-sounding English audio. For beginners, start with slow, clear speech. For advanced learners, try podcasts or TED Talks. The most important thing, choose something interesting. If you enjoy what you're listening to, you'll stay motivated. Step number 2, listen first, then shadow. Before you start shadowing, listen to the audio once or twice. Try to understand the meaning. Then play it again, and this time, repeat immediately after the speaker. Don't wait, don't think. Just copy the sounds as best as you can. Step number 3, use earphones and speak out loud. This part is important. When you shadow, you need to hear yourself speaking. One trick is to use only one earphone, so you hear both the audio and your own voice. And here's a cool fact. Studies show that listening through your right ear can actually improve language learning. Why? Because the right ear connects to the left side of your brain, and that's the part that processes language. So if you want to experiment, try shadowing with your right ear. Step number 4, repeat until you sound natural. At first, it might feel difficult. You'll miss words, you'll make mistakes. That's okay. The goal is not perfection, but improvement. So keep repeating the same sentences until you feel comfortable. Day by day, your pronunciation will improve, your fluency will improve, and soon you'll be speaking much more naturally. Where and when to practice shadowing? One of the best things about shadowing is you can do it anywhere. On your way to work, people talk on the phone all the time so nobody will notice. While walking, you can practice quietly to yourself. At home, while cooking, cleaning, or getting ready in the morning, the more you practice, the faster you improve. Challenge. Try shadowing today. I challenge you to try shadowing for just 5 minutes today. Choose a short video, podcast, or even this video, and repeat what I say immediately after me. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. If you try it, let me know in the comments. Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve your speaking. And if you do it regularly, you'll be amazed at your progress. So keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.